does multiculturalism mean? What stops you in keeping your tradition and integrating? Is it really possible for migrants to develop an unattached and original identity? Certainly, this is not a new debate, and the situation is still in flux. Walking around the streets of Tower Hamlets, one of the most multicultural areas in London, you can meet people of different origins all living together. Diversity is the salt of this community, and migrants contribute to make it possible. Praxis is a community centre in East London where people can share their culture. It provides support to migrants and refugees and helps them with their principal needs like finding accommodation, learning English and applying for a job.
Praxis is a Greek word. It means action, and an action that's based on a reflection. And in our case, it relates to a particular pedagogy designed by a Brazilian educator, Paulo Freire. Taking the action that you do, reflecting upon it, analysing what the causes and the issues are, and then refocusing your action. So it's a constant process.
Some of the migrants that first came as beneficiaries are now active volunteers or employees. Franco is one of them. He's a refugee. In 2002, he arrived in London from Uganda, and now he's a Praxis administrator.
Most other people that we do get here is people with immigration issues. For example, how do I register with Job Center? How do I apply for my income if I'm eligible for them? Or how do I look for housing or accommodation? Some of them have been living here for quite some time and they are not yet settled in the country. So those are the kind of the main issues that we do face mostly.
Alex is another migrant that now works actively in Praxis. He guides new arrivals to integrate into this multi-ethnic community.
I never felt isolated. The locals treated me very well. I think I was received well. Like I said, I never had any problem. So I think this culture of accepting others has been there for a long time. You will have one or two odd people here and there who may not be as receptive, but in general, it's been very good.
London is proud of its diversity. Its multiple identity makes this capital really attractive, and people are discovering here a new way of life, and Londoners are benefiting from it too.
I think in an area like London, we really celebrate and enjoy diversity. And if you ask people why they like living in London, the majority of people say because of the diversity.